Cognitive development in early childhood. The terms growth and development are used extensively while speaking about children and specifically about early childhood education. We talk about developmental stages, social development, sensory development, motor development, and also about developmental impairment, normal development, and a host of other topics. Of all the areas of developments, cognitive development is perhaps a crucial one, influencing all other areas. Meaning of cognitive development. Cognitive development in early childhood refers to a set of intellectual abilities that researchers consider to be essential to every age of an individual. In other words, it's the quantification or systematization of how much a child should be able to do or understand by a certain age. These abilities can manifest physically or mentally. However, physical development as well as social, emotional, or language development are often looked at as separate categories of development. Of course, they are all interrelated, since brain function basically affects everything else. Importance of cognitive development. Understanding every child's cognitive development can help us to choose the right activities to further boost thinking, remembering, and reasoning abilities. Cognitive development in early childhood refers to child's mental capacity for problem solving, language acquisition, learning about objects and relations between cause and effect. In other words, it is immensely important and forms the foundation for many of the other skills the child will learn later in life. So at what age does cognitive development begin? Babies start to develop their cognitive skills from birth. In the past, this wasn't always known. It was presumed that babies were not yet able to process on a cognitive level until they were able to use language. Now we know that a child's intellectual skills can be improved and stimulated right from birth. What are the examples of cognitive skills? There are many types of cognitive skills and complex thinking processes that children reach at different ages. Here are some examples of cognitive development in early childhood. Responding to their name. Recognizing and naming objects in a book. Verbalizing needs. Following instructions. Counting to 10. Knowing their gender. Understanding the difference between the present and the past. Engaging in symbolic play. Listening to stories. Telling stories. Asking questions. Reading. The theories of cognitive development. There are numerous theories about cognitive development. As part of this course, two main theories of cognitive development will be discussed here. 1. Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Piaget's stages of development are part of a theory about the phases of normal intellectual development, from infancy through adulthood. 2. Vygotsky's theory of cognitive development. Vygotsky's theory deals with cognitive development in social relationships and argues that community and language play a central role in learning. In the following lessons, we will be learning more about these theories and how they could be applied to our day-to-day teaching learning processes. Next video is about Jean Piaget's cognitive development theory. Happy learning!